I don't talk so much anymore. Life has humbled me and made me very quiet. I have a superficial character that when people get to meet me, they get to meet. I have a different character for my family that definitely bears scars, so she's quite protective. I have one for my friends that bring out the happiness and the best in me. But I keep my sadness to myself. Because I've learned over time that people don't want to hear about your burdens in case it burdens them. So when you're better, they want to play. And when you're bad, you're on your own. So I don't speak so much anymore. And I've learned that I am all I have.